looks
I like
good.
them with the white laces, man. I ain't put white laces in there yet. They just been having them olive ones in there.
Yeah, I like the white laces the best. I mean, I usually go with white laces with everything.
They look good.
What the fuck was that? I hit all my rings? Okay. Oh, that does look cool. All right. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love. Out here with the pigeons on. Can't find any pigeons. I was gonna try to match them up by like the colorway of the shoe. I see a bunch of squirrels. Pretty cool. I never sit here in the park like this. There's usually a bunch of vagrants. I'm trying to stop calling them like bums, but traveling people, transients, I don't know. Out here on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Figured I'd give my camera a rest and get my money's worth out of this camera. This camera, well, phone was pricey, so I'm gonna use the damn thing. Probably go get a coffee real quick, and I'm gonna take these white laces out. I'm gonna put the gray laces in, and we'll see how those do. Maybe not here, because I don't feel like I'm lacing my shoes outside. And like the AirPods don't work when you're filming video, so now I gotta get one of those like little wireless lab mics, especially if I go to Hawaii. I gotta have my mics right. Is this cinematic mode working? Like, does it actually work better than the 14 Plus? I don't really know. Outlets for like phone charging?
Yeah.
I don't. I'm kind of new to the area, so I'm not really sure.
You don't have like a buck or two. I know
buck?
Carl's Jr. has one, but you gotta buy something.
Like $1?
Yeah. Dollar menu or whatever. Not sure what they got for a buck, but you gotta have something, right?
Gotta have something.
Coffee or something. Awesome. Thank
Sure,
you,
bro.
man.
Take care, bro.
Yeah. Appreciate you.
Yep. Yeah, usually I don't do that, and now like they're all looking at me like I'm prey out here. But he caught me when I'm like in YouTube mode. I felt kind of bad for him, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. Last time I was out here, I lost light in like 2.5 seconds. It sucks. So this is like the best time to be out here with the 15. This is like this is golden hour. Hey. Whew. That last shot with the garbage and all that shit was me wanting to throw up. I don't know if that shot was worth it. Y'all better like the video for that one. Damn. Ugh. What you got there, buddy? Hey, he's getting close. Hold up now. Hold on. You're getting too close. Bye. Make sure you follow me on IG and YouTube. All right. So I hope that was sort of NYC pigeonish. We got a squirrel. I think the dude in the coffee shop was like trying to talk to me and figure out what I was doing, because it is kind of weird when someone brings like, you know, an iPhone on a stick in the company, we're getting coffee. People are so nice when it comes to filming, and I thought like my camera would keep like the homeless people away, and as you guys saw, it didn't. But shout out to that homeless guy. I hope that a couple dollars got him somewhere in life, you know what I'm saying? If I was out there, I hope you guys would give me a couple dollars, like you guys would give me a couple watches on these videos. It all comes back around. It does. That's my street gutter NYC-ish pigeon video. Hope you guys like it, and I'm on to the next.
There you are. Are those actually real pigeons, though? That's the question. Where you going, buddy? Ever heard of Jeff Staples?
Outside the Reed Space Store on the Lower East Side yesterday, when nearly 100 self-proclaimed sneakerheads got into a shoving match as they waited for the doors to open and the chance to buy one of only 20 pairs of pigeons.
All right, peace and love, guys. Let's go ahead and talk about these pigeons. And I don't think his name is Jeff Staples. I think his name might be something else when I saw the footage, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. But this is a pair, if you wear outside, 1,000,000% people are going to be like, yo, where did you get those? Because those are not part of the 150 pairs. That's right, 150 pairs made, and only 20 were released at that store that had the riot. Like that didn't make any sense. I mean, they had pretty much one or two sizes, maybe all the way up to the size 12, but I don't know. But just look at this shoe though. Like, I was pretty much begging them to send me this shoe. Like, no matter who would send it, I was like, just send it. I seen these floating around. I was like, please send me this sneaker. It's amazing. Like, look at it. I don't care how long ago it was made, back in March of 05. I got this pair now in 23, and it just looks damn near flawless. It's a 10 out of 10. I'm giving it a 10. There's the legendary pigeon. It looks beautiful on the shoe, and let's get Jeff's take on the pigeon.
Chose the pigeon out of all things just because the bird just doesn't give a crap. You know, like, they'll walk all over you, they'll walk right next to you, they don't fly away, they're not scared. And I think,
and I'm telling you guys, what I saw yesterday earlier, that's a pigeon. You guys cannot tell me that's not a pigeon. Like, look at both of them. They both got the same color. They both got orange feet. I mean, come on now, give my credit. Now, as far as the materials, I can't confirm if this is true to the OG. Like, again, I really don't care. I would rather have this pair in my hand than if like somebody gave me a pigeon, one of the original pigeons from 05 that's pretty much deteriorated and rotted at this point. That's probably for like a pigeon foot. That's why they made it orange. You know what I'm saying? You have to do the science on that. And just the overall colorway of the shoe is just legendary. It's just perfect. It's a perfect colorway. The insoles, the Zoom sole, it's a magical Zoom sole. It was great out there. These are super comfortable. Like, I'm just like shocked. And you know what? These actually remind me of that the Freddy sneaker that I got not too long ago. These right here, these were amazing. And it's like, I think these were built with the same love or the same chassis or something. Like, the shoes were amazing. Sorry guys, I didn't do the gray laces. Sorry about that. Just ran out of time. There's one more look at the legendary iconic pigeon. These are dope, man. I really don't know what else to say. Had to put the suede brush on them real quick. Materials, they're just perfect. I can't find one bad thing about the shoe. Like, there's not one thing I could say that's bad about the shoe. I see why people were going crazy and rioting over these shoes, but for them to only have 20 in that building, that doesn't make any sense. But like he said, if you go watch that little interview, he didn't anticipate that many people showing up, which is kind of crazy. They had police there and all that, but it is what it is, guys. I am out of here. Peace, love, and light. And you know I got another video right around the corner. 1.